YouTube channel. As you can see, I am full glammed up in this anarkali dress for a reception, and I thought that as reception and marriage season is going on, why not create a very party plus smoky eye look. And I am in love with this look because it has glitter, it has nude lips, it has black and my jhumkas, so it's looking amazing. So people, please don't forget to hit that like button as you see my video, and if you want to know how I created this look, then please continue watching. So at first I'm doing my eyes, and for that I'm using this PAC Cosmetics 05 Warm Latte Concealer, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid. Just take a moment and appreciate this palette. So for my eyeshadow, first I'm taking this red color and applying it on my crease area and blending it properly. So after that, I'm taking this light orange shade and applying it above I applied my red color, and again blending all of the same. So after this, I'm applying this concealer to my eyelid, because as you can see previously I have applied black color, but uska pigment itna अच्छे से आ नहीं रहा था, and we want that intense black color on my lid. So applying it all over my eyelid and taking it a little bit out for the wing and for the smokiness. As I'm happy with the consistency, so now I'm using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow, glitter eyeshadows, and these are so much love, guys, love. These are love. Go and buy it, it's on Amazon. So this eyeshadow, I'm applying it all over no, like half of my eyelid, so it will give the glitter effect, as my dress also have a little bit of shine to it, and it will also like give a party and reception-y kind of look. So as we are going for night look, we can go bold and smoky. This Sugar Cosmetics Primer Plus Moisturizer. This is their new launch, and I think it's a good deal because moisturizer I always skip, and in this step mera dono complete ho jayega. So next I'm using this foundation called as Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in the shade Golden 312, and with that I'm adding Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Glazed Bronze. Because we are going to a party, we are going to a reception, it's a celebration, I want that glow. So here again I'm using the same PAC concealer in the shade Warm Latte 05 and under my eye. I am going a little light for my concealer because it also works as a highlighter, so I don't want to layer it up again. Blending it with a brush. So this concealer is very thick and you don't want to overdo it. I'm taking Nykaa's stick foundation in the shade 07 Toffee Chisel. This is a good shade for contour, on my shade at least. So I'm using this on the usual areas. So next I'm going to set this contour with the same dark shade, and again it's from Nykaa. It's their highlighter and contour duo in the shade 01. So next I'm going to set my under eyes and set wherever I have applied the concealer, which is again nose, under eye. You know the drill. बार बार क्या बताना. Let's apply some lipstick. lipstick, and for this I am taking Suit Secrets Matte Lip Color from Sugar in the shade 01 Muslin Mauve. And this shade is a beautiful nude shade for my lips, but before that I will obviously line my lips. So after this, first let me finish up with my eye. So for that I'll apply the kajal, the smokiness and the eyeshadow. The same procedure you can see. Let's take this highlighter shade from this palette and applying it on my inner corners. Wow, it's looking good. The same highlighter shades as you can see, and I'm applying on my cheekbones. So cheekbones are all glittery and I can't stop myself because it's looking good. The makeup has turned out good. This is the, believe me girls, if this is the way how makeup turns out, I think you and me are going to rock that reception. Like everybody is going to watch us. Hello. So people, please don't forget to hit that like button as you see my video, and also your thoughts on this video in the comment section down below, so that way I will get to know that what you think about my video and you are liking it. So as that, you have to also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell besides it, so you will be notified every time I'm on YouTube and you won't miss any content from my side. So I hope you all like this look. I will see you in my next video with again such glam looks. So till then, bye bye.